Welcome to my channel. My name is Peter. Tomorrow we have Friday. We also have Friday next week. It's about time you learn about Friday time pattern in crypto. What is this Friday time pattern? Well, let me explain to you what it is. I will start with this. 90% of traders lose money as they approach trading as gambling. Yes, we know that. Learn how to identify repeating time patterns, trade only at most optimum times, exploit repeatable events to your advantage, have a plan and setup, and you will see amazing results. Okay, so what is this Friday time pattern? It is a repeating event taking place each week on Friday. Friday pattern has been the most accurate and easiest to forecast. That means I'm able to forecast if we're going up or we're going down. And this is based on quite a few variables I'm looking at. It works the best in bull market, works amazing in bull market, always works. Ideally, there should be a positive sentiment in the market. Yes, we have some positive sentiment. It has a very highly successful win rate. Okay, there are repeating time patterns in crypto, forex, and Dow Jones index. Today, I will be explaining to you about tomorrow's Friday pattern. Rules of entry for Friday time pattern. It works the best in bull market. Yes, ideally in uptrend. We have an uptrend. There should be some positive sentiment. We had some positive and negative, so there's a mixture. It's not everything is dropping. We are also going up. We will be watching Bitcoin as the main trend indicator for crypto. Yes, we are going up, we're going down, so it's okay. We looked open position between 8 p.m. and 10:30 p.m. UK time. This is when institutions close and retail investors take over. So you have time to play this market as it should be. No manipulation till 11 a.m. next day, Saturday. At least not so much manipulation. We look for, actually what you can do, just make sure on Friday, it's like a general rule, 8 p.m. UK time. But you can, if you see a position at 6 p.m., you see a position, let's say like 2:30 or 4 p.m. UK time, yeah, then go ahead for it, enter it. If you want to play safe and you're not experienced, I would say 8 p.m. is a good time to start looking. So we look for a buy signal on our indicator. Tomorrow we will be testing our latest indicator called Pro Algo, which works very well. Yes, it works very well, and I will give you a link later where you can actually download it and you can add it to your trading view, and you have a one-day trial, and you can check it for yourself for one-day trial for tomorrow. Okay, so the optimal entry is when you have at least 4 confirmations, and I will explain to you briefly what you have to look for. I will be looking to open positions on crypto tomorrow in BCH, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin, Phantom, FTM, Ether, LTC. Yeah, just a summary. I have divided, I want to show you an example. This is actually a couple of weeks ago. On Friday, I want to show you how to identify the entry. You need to divide Friday into different sessions. So in here I've got 11 p.m. UK time. This is Asia. This one is from here 7 a.m. This is Europe and London as well. And then you have New York. Let me just correct this one. Yeah, 7 a.m. And London opens 8 a.m. in the morning. Then we have 2:30. You have New York till 9:30. Okay, so I said like the best would be to look from 8 o'clock. So we have it here. This is the best time to look for our entry. We have different sessions. It is possible that New York can push the price down and you will have an entry like at 6 p.m. So you just have to watch the market and you have to use the indicator to look for the right entry. Whatever you enter, and if you have the right level of your position, you can keep it till next day, Saturday, 11 a.m. in the morning. Make sure you close all your positions next day on Saturday, because that is the time when we have peak and there could be some small correction taking place. So like in here on BCH, this is 11 here. You see I had a peak over here, but not to, this is actually 5:30. But still, if you close it here, you'll be, you know, on the safe side. You're not sure what's going to happen later, so you better close before 11 a.m. or even before if you're in a really good profit. Like in this case, this was like already like 5 in the morning, or you could even close it like at 1 a.m. in the morning. Okay, so that's sessions, so you can understand it. Now let me show you how to identify your entry to go long. You will be looking to go long tomorrow or today if it's already Friday, and I will show you exactly how to look for this entry using the indicator. Okay, let me just delete everything here. Okay, let me just go back. So let's just delete this one here. Okay, this one as well. And this is New York. Okay, so for this exercise, I will be using our latest indicator, which is called Pro Algo. I will give you a link. You can download, you can add it to your trading view. There is a 1-day free trial. I really recommend it because it's a 1-day trial. You can test it as well at the same time. If you're happy, you can keep it. If you're not happy, it's a trial. It's a trial. So let's go here. Let's add the indicator to our trading view. Let's have a look. Where is it? Okay, so we have this here and we have this here. Okay, let me just go here a little down. Okay, just a sec. Let me just add something as well. What we're gonna do, we're just gonna adjust and modify it a little bit for our purpose of the exercise. So let's put this one here. Okay, we're gonna have the reversion bands as well, and we want to have ADR as well. You want to have, this is very important, support zones. Okay. Okay. So this is our indicator, and let's have a look. Okay. We have our indicator called Pro Algo Pro set up, ready to go. I will give you a link later so you can give it a trial with this 1-day trial version. Definitely it is worth it. Okay, so we have Friday here. You have an option, you can click it on here, and those candles, they will change color. They will change color from red to blue. So we are looking for some confirmation. We know that we need to open a long position on Friday, but when? So that's your answer. Ideally around this time from 8 o'clock. So ideally, we actually got last time this buy signal here. So you have confirmation number 1, which is this one here. Then what else? Well, we also had the confirmation with this. You see this red line goes to blue. That's like a trend chaser. So this is another confirmation. So you have confirmation number 2. The color needs to be blue. Okay, so that was about 9 p.m. We also had this sign here on this indicator, which is R for reversals. So you have another confirmation, which is confirmation number 3. The more you have, the better for you. Now, let's go down. This is the oscillator that comes with this indicator. We have R here as well, which is great. So that's another confirmation for us. Let's mark it. Okay, so this one here. Let's just make it smaller. We have this is like a normal RSI. I'm working on 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes time frame. So we can see that this RSI is going up and it's crossing our 50, and that will be our another indication that, or confirmation that we could open a long position. So we have 1, 2, 3. So we have this RSI crossing 50. We have this R which is reversing up on oscillator. We have this another R here showing the reversal. We have buy signal, which is good. And we also have changing colors of candles from red to blue. And that's another confirmation. So how many do we need? You need about 4, well, 3 is fine as well. When do we close the trade? I tell you when you close the trade. You close the trade next day on Saturday before 11 a.m. in the morning UK time. Make sure you close it, because if you don't close it after midday, 1 o'clock, you will have a retracement and you will lose your amazing profits. So that is a simple explanation how to use this new indicator we are testing, and it looks pretty good, pretty promising. You just have to modify it at settings to have exactly what I have. Okay, so yeah, I will give you a link right away so you can download it. Please use my link, my affiliate link for this indicator. If you do use it, message me later about the outcome and results you had, and I will provide you with additional training to master this Friday time pattern. If you use my link, I will give you as much information as I can so you can use this every Friday. And by the way, please try it on demo. Do not use, if you don't have a lot of money on your account, please do not risk it, because you will learn this pattern and you can always use it. It's not only tomorrow, it's going to be every Friday. And okay, it's not going to be going up every Friday, but you will understand how to identify if we are going up on Friday. So it is important. I would suggest, for this purpose of the exercise, use a small amount on your account just as an experiment. Or if you have a big account, no problem, use a bit bigger amount, or ideally a demo account. Okay, so let me give you a link. I will attach a link for you so you can access this indicator to the YouTube video below. So have a look and you will find it under Algo Pro. And definitely give it a try. It's one day trial, nothing to lose, a lot to gain. If you would like to message me later with your results, please do so. You can go to my website, which is called Algo Trading Team, and you can let's have a look. So you can actually go here, and I've got a Discord group. You can click on this and you can have access to my Discord, where we actually analyze each Friday and try to get better at this Friday pattern. So definitely join my Discord and message me if you had any positive results. That would be really appreciated. Thank you.